All right, my friends, I'm super excited to record this video. I've been waiting for this day. I'm going to be getting my very first level 4 ad campaign. So I wanted to show you exactly how this is going to work. I'm logged into my back office. You can see my available balance just popped over $300. Now, just full disclosure, if I go over here to my deposit section, you can see that I have deposited, let's see, looks like $260. I've put in $260 of my money, and you can see that I'm already past that. So I have an option here. I can either withdraw this money, and I can literally withdraw the entire $300, and now I'm in profit, or we can grow our money. And so that's what we're going to do. You can see here that I do have a level 3 campaign that is in hold. And once this finishes, then these funds will get moved over to the available balance to purchase more campaigns or to withdraw. So actually, now that I'm looking at this, because we do have to activate our earnings. So there is a one-time $30 fee to unlock level 4. I'm actually going to skip level 4, and I'm gonna go ahead, because if you look at the actual profit on the $300 level 4, the profit is $88. The profit on 2 level 3s is 150. So we're looking at, $44 times 2. It's actually the same. The only difference is, instead of me only having to click on level 4 ads once, I'm going to have to do 2 level 3 ads. I have a little bit more clicking, but I'm going to actually save $30. So that's pretty cool. Now, obviously, eventually, I will have to probably completely bypass level 4 and go straight to level 5 or 6, ultimately 7. But for now, I'm actually not going to activate any level 4 earnings to save this $30, and I'm just going to do 2 level 3 campaigns. So we're going to go over here to buy ad campaign, and we're going to click to buy this one. You can see here, price $150. I got 303 in my account. I've got my website here that I'm going to promote, which is a brand new traffic matrix that is super hot. It's always good to test your link before you click to confirm, which I just did, and everything looks great. So we're going to go ahead and purchase this level 3 campaign. And now I'm going to go back to buy ad campaign, and we're going to get another level 3 campaign. Bam, there we go. So the available balance has dropped, but now I've got 2 level 3 ad campaigns that are now active, and you know what time it is. It's time to do some clicking.